Hi everyone, I'm Leon. We got a new challenge from our customer. This time, our biggest challenge is to make the best grip steering wheels in the world. That idea is not clear for us. We decided to make a steering wheel that is super easy to control and very comfortable to hold. And our goal is to make those people who buy it feel happier than they expected. And right after our first meeting, we decided to bring back a few high-end cars so we could study the steering wheel on these different luxury cars and supercars. We want to find out what makes these super sport car steering wheels so special and why they feel so different from normal cars. The first car we tested was a Rolls Royce. And after driving it for many days, we find out something special. First, Rolls Royce uses a bigger steering wheel, but the grip is surprisingly thin. We wonder why. So after a day of testing, we understand that this structure makes the steering very light and smooth. This helps the Rolls Royce driver can turn the wheel in the most elegant way. And next, we move on to Ferrari. And again, we drove these two vehicles for many days. We find out that supercars uses a smaller steering wheel, so the steering reacts much faster. This helps the supercar driver enter and exit corners more quickly. We love this finding, and we decided to use it in our new steering wheel design. We study, we test, we compare some best product in the world. We believe world-class design comes from teams who test and test again until they find the best solution. This is when we sit down, designing and drawing the product. So let's move into production. We decided for this steering wheel to use high-precision CNC machining and 100% hand welding for every single piece of steering wheel we made. We chose this process because it is similar to how luxury mechanical watches now are made in Switzerland. So every piece of our steering wheel is handmade, checked carefully, and finished in Taiwan. And now you can see, we make a wheel that can be customized in different size and diameters. And it looks elegant, almost like those supercars and the luxury ones. So by the time when we present to our customer for the very first sample, they were so shocked what they saw. Because we not only make the lighter steering wheel they wanted, we also make a steering wheel that feels like a real supercar. They can feel the amazing control and the amazing grips of the product. If you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe it. It will be better if you have an idea that you need our help. Please leave it in the comment or contact us. Afinova and team will be very happy to help you in your product idea and build it to a bestseller. So this is today's video and I'm Leon. I'll see you next time.